The next thing we're going to do is we're going to install SolidWorks as a WSU student. So if you're not a WSU student, you may want to skip over this part. So first off, the first thing you're going to go to is you're going to go to cougs.mme.wsu.edu. As I say in bold, make sure to download the correct version. One other thing, and I will show you in a sec actually by turning this off, because you may actually not see this bottom part. Disconnect. When you first click on the page, you'll see, oh, okay, free SolidWorks software, cool. But where all this text down below that told me how I can get it, where did that go? If the way that stuff down below that tells you how you can get the software pops up is you have to be on one of the school's servers, not servers, one of their Wi-Fi networks to be able to see it. If you're not on their Wi-Fi network, you have to use one of their VPNs to, I guess, fool their system into thinking your computer's there in using their system. And again, it's completely legal, as they have it on their website. So you want to click on the VPN link, and you want to go to the details for installing. And again, you'll want to follow the instructions. So SSL VPN client download. You want to download the SSL VPN client. So that will download. And then you just follow the installation process. And then you'll install the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobile Client installation. All right, so once you've done that, you'll want to navigate back. Again, very convoluted, I'm sorry. So yeah, you'll install that. Then you just follow these instructions. So you'll put in, when it first pops open, and actually I'll open it right now, there'll be a blank spot, so you'll put in this server name into it. You'll hit connect once you've done that. And then from there, you'll put it asks for username and password. Your username and your password are the same username and password you use to log into your My WSU account, Blackboard, what have you. So in my case, this is my Colin.Wharton account, so I'm going to log in to that using my password here. And then it's going to work as magic. And then I'm connected now to the WSU servers. So now, if I go back to the cougs.mme.wsu.edu, you're noticing, okay, I don't see it now, but if I refresh the page, boom, okay, now I have the steps for being able to access the WSU SolidWorks license. So from here, you'll want to go and follow this link first, go download the educational edition, you select the version, make sure, because I made this mistake to begin with, make sure to select the correct version. As you see here, you will be able to download the 2017 to 2018 version. When I first installed it, I selected the 2018-2019 version. All this license stuff will not work for newer or older versions. You have to select the one that's on this page. So you go here, select 2017-2018 version. You put in your email address, you're a student, request download. And then you just follow the rest of these instructions to finish installing, get all that sorted out. And then once you've done all that, you worked your wonders, then you should have SolidWorks on your computer that you can open anytime you're on the school network or anytime your VPN is on and running and it says you're connected to the school network. So now that my VPN's running, I can open SolidWorks. It'll take a bit to load, but then I'll be able to successfully open it.